The Xiaomi Air Purifier 2 has a system event where unfortunately it goes into a low power auto mode every 3 hours. However, there is a workaround for that, and this video will show you how to do that. Go into the Purifier app and select the options in the top right hand corner and select automation. As you can see here, we already set some timed events for it to switch to favorite mode. What you do is select the cross in the top right hand corner and then for if, select timer. Select the timer so that the time is like just after 3 hours for when you first initially set your purifier on. Once you've set the time, set the date for when you're going to be at home, and then change it from turn on to switch to my favorite mode. Select OK, give it a name if you want, and there you have an event for your air purifier to switch back to favorite mode.